Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you and to meet you today. My name is Mary. I am 25 years old and I come from Kenya, that is in Africa. So welcome to our today's class. So for today we're going to learn about fractions. But before we learn about fractions, I can say one of the things that I love, it is maths. Why do I love maths? One, math is fun, especially when you're playing and engaging your friends in games like puzzles. Another reason I love maths, it is because maths is everywhere. Whether you are in the market, you'll be expected to do some calculations as you're making payments for the items you're buying. And also, maths help us in our daily activities, and I hope that you too love maths. So in our today's lesson we're going to learn about fractions, but before that we have a pizza here. How many of you love pizza? I love pizza, and we can see that my pizza, it's divided into different pieces. It is cut into pieces because I love sharing pizzas. And how many of you would wish to have one piece? Thank you. Yes. Now, for me to share it out, I need to cut my pizza into different pieces. And I have cut into pieces. So how many pieces is my pizza having? We can count it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My pizza is cut into 8 pieces. Yeah, it is cut into 8 pieces. So because I love sharing and you also wish to have a piece, I'll give one piece to one of you. Who would like to have the first piece? Well done. You will have the first piece, and I have given it to student A. Now, how many pieces is Teacher Mary remaining with after sharing one? We can count it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm remaining with 7 pieces after sharing out one piece. And how many pieces is my student A having? I have shared one piece with her, and so she only has one piece of pizza out of the remaining 8, out of the whole pizza, the 8 pieces. And so for today we're going to learn about fractions. With that now in mind, with that image in your mind, we go to what are fractions. What is a fraction? What is a fraction? A fraction, it is a part of a whole. An example, Teacher Mary had a pizza, a whole pizza, and so that is the whole. The pizza had 8 pieces, that is the whole. Now, the part of a pizza is what we're calling the fraction, the part of it. So, Teacher Mary gave student A one piece. And so we can say that the student is having a fraction, is having a part of a pizza. And that is what we call a fraction, a part of a whole. Now, my students still need more pieces, and because I love sharing, I'll add her one because one piece is not enough for her, and so I have added her another piece. So my student is now having 2 pieces out of the whole. student is having 2 pieces out of the whole. And Teacher Mary is having 2 less pieces. And so how many pieces is Teacher Mary remaining with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we can say the fraction that Teacher Mary is having is 6 out of the 8 pieces. Or we can call it a 1/6 of the whole. A 1/6 of the whole. And my student is having 2 pieces out of the whole. The whole pieces being 8. So he's having 2 out of 8. An example, we can give it a trial together. I have some bottle tops here. They are of different colors. We have yellow color, red, green, and blue. And I can also see that some bottle tops are facing up and some are facing down. So how many bottle tops are facing up? We have 1, 2, and 3. So we want to find fractions of colors and also the fractions of the bottle tops that are facing up. So first we have to get the whole. How many bottle tops are we having? We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is our whole. Now, what is the fraction of the bottle tops in yellow? We count 1, 2, 3. We have 3 bottle tops, 3 yellow bottle tops out of the whole. So what was our whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 12 bottle tops, and out of the 12, 3 are yellow. And so we can say the fraction of the bottle tops that are yellow is 3 out of the 12. Now, what is the fraction of the bottle tops in red? So how many bottle tops are we having in red? It is 1, 2, and 3. What is the fraction? It is 3 out of the 12. So that's how we get the fraction. You have to get the whole and you count what you need. So a fraction has 2 parts. We have the numerator and the denominator. The numerator, it is the upper number. It is the number on the top. And it tells how many parts we have. That is, and this is how we write the fraction, 3 out of the whole. In our example we had of the 8 pizzas, we had, Teacher Mary had 8 pizzas. So that is the whole number. That's what we call the denominator, and we write it on the bottom. And what Teacher Mary shared with student A were 2 pieces, and that's what we call the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have, and we write it on the top. I hope you have understood, and you can have this as practice questions. We have some circles here. We have some are red and some are blue. You can try finding the fraction of the circles in blue. You first get the whole number, which is the denominator. The whole number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the fraction of the bottle tops, which are blue in color? The fraction is 4 out of the whole, which is 6. And so how we do write that? It is 4, number 4 on the top and over out of the total number, which is 6. So you can write down the fraction of the bottle tops in red. and I would like to see who will get it right. I have a sticker for those who will get it right. So that is what we call a fraction. It is a part of a whole. I will give you some practice questions. You practice, then when we meet tomorrow, I can see those who have gotten the point of what a fraction is. I'll give you the shells as your homework. You try it out on your own. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.